So instead of drawing today, I just thought I'd try painting.
Oh, I figured out that I am missing a bit of oil to create the liquid white, so I just put some vegetable oil. Bob Ross. He's probably quaking in his grave right now, and not in a good way.
Time to paint. Hello everyone, it's your boy, back at it again. Unfortunately. When I uploaded my last video, the Bob Ross painting, basically my one artist friend reamed me out for doing everything wrong, and I think I pretty much triggered a bunch of artists. So she actually graciously lent me her home, bought me some actual legit artist things to paint with. And she's actually a legit artist. Check out her Instagram if you want some more art bread. So I'm gonna do a round 2 and hopefully redeem myself. So I'm still gonna do a Bob Ross painting, but this time I have a vision. And it's basically where Squidward painted his painting called Bold and Brash. So I think I'm gonna do Bold and Brash on top of a Bob Ross painting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bob Ross. Okay, so what I learned this time is that liquid white isn't actually just vegetable oil mixed with white.
Look at this dude.
Everyone's triggered. So I actually have some legit liquid white in this little bottle. So we're gonna start off with that first. Actually, you know what I'm gonna start off with? I'm going to... Where did my pencil go? Oh no. Okay, I lost Miss Pencil. So I'm gonna take Miss Pencil and I'm actually gonna trace out the Bold and Brash here first. And then I'm gonna do the Bob Ross painting all around it, if that kind of makes sense. So yeah, art bread.
Let's get that art bread.
Art bread, y'all. Oh!
Look what I found in this.
Ew, I'm scared. Ew. Look. We just found an eyelash in the sink. Okay. Ugh.
Oh my god.
Bold and Brash. Why isn't it focusing? I call this one Bold and Brash. Okay, so I'm just gonna trace this out quickly. I hope this is big enough for this. Oh god. I'm really bad at scaling pictures.
Do you want to make it good? That's the real question.
That's the real question. I mean, I want to try my best. That's all. Bob Ross is proud of me. What's that meme? And it was like, are y'all ready to draw? Said Edvasion. Are y'all ready to draw? Picasso quakes. Da Vinci started shaking. Maya Angelou cried.
Angelou's a writer.
And they were all like, yes, Edvasion. Oh, this looks terrible. Let me just erase. Oh, I don't have an eraser. I grabbed the one pencil that doesn't have an eraser. Of course. Oop. But yeah, basically the next day, my artist friend literally reamed me out for ruining a Bob Ross painting. Eraser. 감사합니다. Okay.
Earlier.
There you go. Bold and Brash. It's literally just white. You can't even see anything. Anyways, just know it's there.
Poppin'.
It's poppin'.
You
Okay.
like Casey Fry?
Yes. I like when he does his shoulder thing.
Oh, I hate it when he does this his stomach thing.
Oh, ew. Where are his organs?
The crack melted it.
He's just cracked. Okay, so this is the Bob Ross tutorial that I chose because it has a yellow background, which is what Bold and Brash has. But it's got a little bit more detail.
Canvas, and I've just covered it with a very thin coat of liquid white. That's basically all.
I got that this time.
Vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil?
Okay, let me grab my vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Cholesterol entered the chat. Okay, so this time I actually have some palette paper here. And we're just gonna put a little bit of good old liquid white. I just dipped my brush in some water. I don't know if that's right, but we'll try.
You never sing it
Ooh, it's so nice having an easel that doesn't fall down every 10 seconds. Liquid white, eh?
Can't remember. I think it was Michelangelo.
Wow.
He purposely made like the Sistine Chapel like look homoerotic because he hated the system.
That's nice. Okay, so we said a thin layer of liquid white. I think this is a thin layer. Based on what I feel like it's a thin layer. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Like, I'm an artist. No more dreaded liquid white. I'm finally done that step. I finally accomplished something in life.
Indian yellow into it. Don't need a lot of color. Something about like so. Let's go up in here, and maybe right here, we'll do that. That's all there is to it.
Indian yellow. Let's see. We have a lemon yellow, and we have a medium yellow.
She's fresh. Fresh out of the tube.
We love that fresh. See. Oh my god. Do you have to shake it? Because it's literally water.
Yeah, like it's usually the oil that separates, right,
Oh, I see.
from the pigment.
Being dumb again. There we go. Yay.
We did it.
Now it's just like a little clump. Okay, so we have our little yellow here. Look at her, so cute. Kind of clumpy, but that's okay. Oh, this is literally the same color. Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, what did he do again? I forgot. Did he go in circles? Okay, so by scaling his painting appropriately, it would go here, I think. If there's one thing you know about me, I'm terrible at scaling pictures. Oh my god, this works so much better than on like vegetable oil canvas.
Wow.
So this is what it's like to actually be an artist.
Thing, just go around the edges.
More yellow?
Finish. Is that easy? I'll go in touch.
Okay, so it's literally just a lighter shade of yellow. Let's do this one. Lemon yellow. Lemon pledge. I saw that he used the same brush, so I'm assuming this is fine. So this is the lemon yellow. And we're just gonna... Oh my god. Technique is terrible. Also, this is supposed to be more like a circle, but it's kind of like a spleen.
Two eyes and a big smiley face in there.
Okay, so he said yellow ochre. Thank the Lord we have it. I was not ready to mix some paint to get the right color. Don't forget to massage the paint. I feel like I'm just using tubes of polysporin. I never see him switch brushes. Is he? Or isn't he? I'm just gonna use the same one. Ooh, yellow ochre. That's kind of nice. Is this belongs in the trash worthy yet? Okay, we're just gonna do a nice little blend here. Just blend these pigments together. Oh shit. My Bolden brush. I think when I'm done, my phone's gonna be like half covered in paint.
Clean the brush.
He literally just said, don't clean your brush. Lizard crimson.
There we are.
Lizard crimson? Lizard, eh? Did my friend buy me any lizard paint? Brilliant red. Okay, we're gonna do good old vermilion, my favorite color. Oh god, I have to pee so bad. But I don't want to get up because I'm already invested. There we go. A nice, anyways, how does he get everything to blend so well? I'm just kind of mushing everything together and it's all turning like one gross color. Okay, you know what? Compared to the last one, not that bad.
For now.
Okay, well there's already paint on my phone, so that's nice. I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay, so we starting to mix colors and I'm nervous.
Right into that brown that we made.
Brown.
And alizarin crimson. That's one of my favorite colors.
Oh, green and red make brown. Sap green. Viridian? Oh, sap green. Massaging these tubes of paint is making me want to pee even more. I think I might not have a bladder after this video. Just kidding, it's not that bad. Well, actually, I'm probably gonna go to the bathroom, but not after I try my hand on mixing colors. So we're taking the scarlet red, and then we're gonna take the sap green, like he said. It's the only instruction I knew how to follow. Okay, so the green came out a little oily, this little booger here. And look, you guys, she actually has these little knives for me that I can... Oh, she's very oily. Also, this... Ah! Oh my god, this brush almost ended it all. This Morphe 3006 brush. Just kidding, that's a different brush. This is a Morphe 1152. Is this brown? Or is this a color that when someone ate something that was expired? Okay, well, maybe we'll try. Oh my god, I'm scared. Please don't ruin my painting. It's a little too pigmented. We'll work with what we have. So we're gonna take our blending brush here and just blend all this stuff together. Is Morphe gonna sponsor me yet? We're waiting. Just kidding. They're actually probably gonna pay me instead to stop talking about their brushes. They're like, we don't want any affiliation with this crackhead. Okay, so I think I've had enough. I'm just gonna use the washroom. BRB. Hello, I'm back. Hey, you can kind of see Bolden brush coming through. Come through, Miss Bolden brush. Okay, blending is one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. Actually, I used to work at a smoothie shop, so I was actually not bad at blending. Okay, so we're gonna do brown and then we're gonna wash the brush. Finally. Did he say Van Dyke brown? We have some burnt sienna and some burnt umber. Why is everything burnt? Oh, Miss Brown. Burnt sienna it is. I have a friend named Sienna. Do you guys remember her? She was in my one video. That doesn't seem right. Okay, so that doesn't seem right. So I'm actually just gonna use this other burnt color. You can see where Bold & Brash is.
Wow, it looks so good.
And then next.
This nose looks like a... I'm not gonna say it. Not for your audience.
It looks like a hot dog.
Hot dog with marshmallow.
What? So I went to go change my battery. I literally knocked down my light and everything fell down. I was kind of like, my dick fell off! This is the end. Also, when I tripped over the cord, it also bent the plug-in, but then I just bent it back. I basically just went into fight or flight mode and just bent it back as hard as I could and hoped that it worked, and it did.
Thank God.
Okay, so it looked like Miss Bob Ross washed his brush. I also called him Miss. I'm not misgendering him. I call everyone Miss. I called a pencil Miss Pencil, so please don't come for me. So we're just gonna wash our brush here.
More. So I'll go right into.
Oh my god, he's moving so fast. I'm literally like panic painting. Aye! Hello, Miss Titanium White. Okay, so what's going on? Mountains? Nice little mountains. Okay, so it looks like it's tree time. Like I said, it's not a Bob Ross painting without some trees. It looked like he was using like a Morphe fan brush for like highlight to like stamp it on. We don't have one of those. I find that the harder I hit, the better it looks. Is that true?
That is not correct.
Okay, so I tried to make trees, but somehow my trees turned into some sort of like demonic apparition. Apparition? What's the word? These are where my brain cells go to die. Anyways. Oh no, I just painted on my hand. Do you remember how when you were a kid and you would throw up in the middle of the night and then you'd go to your parents' room and be like, I done thrown up, and they'd be like,
Why do we have kids?
okay, so here's the gist of that Bob Ross painting. Ta-da! And you can see where Miss Bold & Brash is. So I'm gonna do a quick outline of her skinny figure. Oh my god, there's literally so many choices. Is this what it feels like to be a beauty guru with like 1,000 brushes you got for PR and you're like, I'm just gonna use the same one I use in every video because they pay me. I'm just kidding. I don't want to get in any beef with the beauty community. Although if I keep making these painting videos, I'm probably gonna get into some beef with the drawing community. Hello, I don't mean any harm. I'm just here to have a good time. This looks like a teal color. How do you make teal? These ones maybe? I can already hear all the professional artists and like painters being like,
You are so dumb.
okay, so this is hopefully turns into Bold & Brash. Nope, it is still very, very blue.
Okay, I think we're getting there.
Maybe it's just green now. I think I put too much. Oh no. Okay, so I tried this one. It looks even worse. Hello, Bold & Brash. What color are you? Okay, so surprise, my camera actually stopped recording when I started painting this, but look at it. I'm looking at the reference photo. So she's a little bit dark, but she is like outside in the sun, so she's got a bit of a tan. So that's okay. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part of painting, the line work. Just kidding, it's actually the worst part because it's so stressful. So am I Squidward or am I SpongeBob? We're really wondering. Bold & Brash. All done. Wow, I felt like I was holding my breath the whole time I was painting. Which, you know, I definitely wasn't, but during the part where I was tracing like the black outline, it was literally like, if I make one small move, this will be ruined. Is that how it feels when you're doing eyeliner? Like people who can do wing eyeliner every single day in the morning at like 5 a.m. Y'all are braver than the Marines. Okay, well this is my painting. I hope you guys like it. This looks so messed up. What am I gonna do with all these paintings I'm doing? Like they're literally just sitting around in my room and it's like, I don't have room for this. It's just a bunch of garbage that's just like clogging up my room. I'm so sorry, you are not trash. You are amazing, you are perfect. I also just realized it's been like 5 hours since I've woken up and I've only eaten like one thing. So I'm kind of starving right now. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my brain cracking out and making this. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these Bob Ross paintings that I'm making. Should I sell them? who's gonna buy this. Feel free to watch an ad or two, because then that way I can make better art with better supplies. Because all of these supplies here were given to me out of pity and anger and being triggered by the terrible things that I was using before. Vegetable oil. Am I right, ladies? If you guys enjoyed my content and want to support me, give this video a thumbs up and leave a little comment to help with my engagement. And then that way YouTube's gonna be like, hey, I see you're searching up Bob Ross tutorials. Maybe look at this. If you don't know what to leave in the comments, you can just let me know what you want to see me draw next. Maybe something furry related, I don't know, a woo. Why did I say that? Pretend I didn't say that. I'm not a furry. Feel free to subscribe, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!